told y'all we weren't stopping. We just getting started. We just getting started. So I just shot a review earlier today of two very nice stock trucks, a 2020 Ram 1500 and a 2021 F150. But y'all, I get that little butterfly feeling. I get the heart rate up a little bit when we get a little bit of custom wide with it action going on. It just, everything in my mind just goes next level. So behind us, Covert edition on our first limited. Hold it together. Let's go. The stance makes such a difference. Don't get it twisted, y'all. What a phenomenal truck. Just like I told you many times, the shoes on your ride, just like a shoe on your feet, can be a game changer. Here we go. Limited 2021 Akins Ford F150 Star White Beauty, leveled on 34s. We got the 2-inch ready lift level kit, that new design level kit, the hockey puck style spacer, because 2 inches looks money on this application. Really like it in totality as far as that leveled clean stance, and then fitting some 34s under there with a very fitting wheel. This is Chad's customer, and he did a great job in helping pick the right wheel. He could not have picked a better wheel choice for this package, especially not removing any of this brushed aluminum found in the grille and your side badges and door handles, etc. It's not chrome, y'all. It's kind of like a brushed, it's a brushed aluminum, what I call it. Finish looks so incredible, and we got the fuel rage in that platinum brushed aluminum type finish as well. So just a money setup in my opinion for this truck, and a new wheel for 2020 and the 21. Hadn't seen it a lot, but it's been a great one for us. I love the bolts that you've got going on. The Fox bolts just look so much more premium and elegant, and that finish, look at that finish, just great. 20x9 plus 1 offset, 295 60/20 ridge grapper. So it's a 33.9 by 11.7 inch tire, so it's basically a 34. You're leveled on 34s, and look at this stance. So we're sticking out on our first 21 with a little bit of offset there. I'd say 2.5 inches, maybe 3. I mean, look at this, y'all. Look. Our first, a very popular tire size and wheel offset for our 2020 Coverts, and I think it's going to continue. I know it's going to continue throughout. This 21 truck looks great. Our most aggressive we've done on a level truck. And look at that limited applique, limited. Here's a good rear shot of that stance. Mild to wild, we're more on the medium scale. It's not super aggressive, but it's pretty daggone aggressive, y'all. I mean, it looks great to me. Look at that. That is a great stance. Very fitting wheel. Great stance. Now let's jump in the inside. I want to show you my thoughts on this blue interior. Now when I climb inside the limited 2021 F150, I get a different vibe, and I really like it. Like, it's got this bluish, hueish, gray interior going on. It's not overdone as far as the amount of blue. It's hard to describe. You can see some blue tint there in the seat and more gray on the insert. Just a premium feeling interior. It feels lighter. There's a good look at it. It just feels, I mean, look at you got suede. I mean, I didn't even know this, y'all. Oh my gosh. This interior's pretty solid, and it feels different. It being this different color, headliner and all, it just feels different. I thought when they first came out with this interior, this color, when I first saw it, just the pictures of it, I was like, I don't know, what are they doing? But getting in it now, it feels more premium and luxurious, and I'm really digging it, y'all. I hope you like that interior thoughts that I had for you guys. Now under the hood, we got the Powerboost engine, 430, yeah, a hybrid engine with a 3.5 liter twin turbo, 430 horsepower, 570 pound-feet of torque. It's impressive, y'all. Like, this engine is, you know, I was hybrid, oh gosh, here we go, but it's all there. Like, this, it's all there. I'm very impressed with the power output and the technology behind this. So you've got essentially the hybrid engine is inside the transmission. So next level technology in the transmission underneath your essentially where you're sitting at is where it's located at, and you've got Everything's just kind of stuffed in there, but it fits so nicely and works so well. Great power. Powerboost with the onboard 2.4 kilowatt system. You could run a whole tailgate or run some power saws, whatever you need. This truck gives you more capability, and he's got a great gnarly stance to go with it too. So impressed by this truck and this build on a beautiful Star White right here at Akins and Wild Willie's in Winder. All your accessory needs right there. Buy it right there. Have coverts right there, ready for purchase also. So we got everything taken care of, guys. You need anything auto, you come see us at Akins, we got you covered. Thanks so much.